Hello and welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to introduce yourself in the comments. Do you love going to the charity shop? Well, I do too. But because of coronavirus, I haven't been able to go out shopping. So I've been diving down into my own donation bags, seeing what I can repurpose, upcycle and use again in my home. I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Florist, your online flower arranging classes. I've just published a brand new video playbook on my charity shop flips. If you'd like to purchase a copy, check out the video show notes and I'll leave a link there for you. The three items I'm using are a basket, a gift bag and a set of tumblers. I'll show you how to transform a basket like this, giving it a quick paint job, attaching a ribbon bow and of course creating a beautiful arrangement. For my next project I'm going to be using a gift bag. I'll show you how to add some decorative details including a boho bead and tassel charm. And last of all, we'll transform these very ordinary glass tumblers into mini farmhouse inspired vases. So don't forget, if you fancy having a go at these upcycling projects, get in touch. You can contact me on my free Facebook group, Flowers Start World, or message me on Instagram. I'm at flowerstart with an underscore at the end. Or leave a comment under the video and I'll come back to you. That's all from me for now, and I'll see you again next time.